Hey, this is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload things to YouTube using your William & Mary Apps account, and then use that YouTube upload to import into videoant, where you can do real-time commentary on the videos that you post. So first thing you want to do is go to YouTube, youtube.com, and if you're signed in, you want to make sure you're signed in under your William & Mary Apps account. So if you're signed in under like a Gmail account or something like that, you're going to need to sign out and sign in. So I'm going to go to sign in, and I'll sign in using my William & Mary Apps account, which is going to be, in my case, mxbloom@email.wm.edu. And I'll put in my password. And now I'm logged in. So I can upload, for example, a Zoom session that I might record, and then I can share it with my classmates. If you don't know how to upload, create video or post is the link right here at the top. I'll click on that, and I can click upload video. And I can grab a video, I can upload it, and once it uploads, then I can decide that it's going to be public or private. I'm going to want it to be public, or at least unlisted. You don't make it private or no one else is going to be able to see it. So I've uploaded, let's pretend I've uploaded something. And I'll go to my channel, and here is where I will find my videos. And home, for some reason there are no videos here, so I'll click on my videos link, and here are a bunch of videos that I made. So here's a video that I made of my friend Max with my drone, and I'm going to click on that, and let's take a look. Okay, so I want that, and what I will do is I will grab the URL up in the URL window, and I'll copy that. And now I'm going to go to videoant, and that's going to be at ant.umn.edu, and it's going to give you the opportunity to log in. Go ahead and log in with your Google account, because you're going to use that same mxbloom, well, you're going to use whatever yours is, at email.wm.edu. And now I'm going to click allow, and it's going to grab all my stuff. So these are different things that I've uploaded to videoant, and now I'll create a new ant, and I'm going to paste that URL right in here. And I'll click load, or I could browse my YouTube uploads right from there. So here it is, and it's all ready to go. I can share that with my colleagues by clicking on the little share button here, groups button here, and I can add a new group. Let's say I add a group, and I'll give it a title, and I'll call that philosophy course. And now I can add new members to that group, and now I can put in various people's at email.wm.edu address, and then I will share it with them. So that's how you go about doing that. And once you have it, you're all ready to go. You can watch the video in videoant. And then all you need to do is click on the little camera button and add an annotation. So that'll annotate it in real time. So I'll say Max is laughing. Great. And I'll save that, and now I can keep watching. And when it gets to the point I want, I can pause it and say, cleared the trees. And then I'll hit save. And so you keep going, and then you can share that with your colleagues. And that's basically all there is to it.